All right. What is up? We are in Tertsa, and Tertsa is after Myrtos. It is part of it's part of Heraklion city, and this place is amazing. Where right now I am standing, this part of Tertsa divides Tertsa to two parts. One is this one, which is the family side, and there we have some taverns and we have some hotels and possibly Airbnbs and a mini market where you can get some groceries. And then this part of Tertsa. It's a naturist beach. It is nudity free, and if you are into connecting and socializing with that community, then we have this whole entire beach for you to have a good time. And this is the iconic rock of Tertsa, which everybody likes to see and they want to take pictures. Actually, it is pretty easy to climb this and to have your partner here standing and take picture of yours. So I will be flying the drone around Tertsa to show you a better perspective and overview of this place, in case if you are willing to visit this place and if you want to put it in your vacation and travel plan. In case if you are visiting Crete, you want to visit Tertsa as well. If you ask me personally, I highly recommend visiting this place. It's an amazing place. You can have food here, very delicious food these tavernas making. They have fish taverna, they have Cretan Greek taverna, so nothing to worry about. And some of you have been asking if you can visit certain places with your family and children. Of course, this place is absolutely suitable for kids and families, because the beach is pretty shallow and it's very possible to do so. Okay, so now it's time to fly the drone to show you some awesome footage of this place to give you a better perspective. This was it for Tertsa. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and also share your thoughts, recommendations, ideas in the comment section. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. If you want to support the channel, my PayPal account link and Patreon account link in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace. They say eyes are the doors to the soul, so we gotta look into each other's eyes.